Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about the Dell credit card. Now, I have a lot going on, but I'm pushing out these videos because I want to tell you guys about these different credit cards. There are so many people out there trying to apply for credit cards. So if you hear little noises in the background, somebody's actually cutting the grass or something, I apologize. But you guys definitely want to hear about this credit card. So definitely stick around because I'm going to tell you guys how you can get approved for a $5,000 Dell credit card. And maybe more than that, depending on your credit situation. Now, if this is your first time watching my videos, make sure you guys like this video, make sure you guys subscribe, and if you guys ever have any questions, all you have to do is drop them down in the comments, or go ahead, click on my link down in the comments, all things Rickita. I have a link there. You can schedule a call, we can talk, see what's going on, see how you can boost your credit scores, or whatever questions you have, we can go ahead and talk about it. So definitely go ahead and use that link. Now, let's not waste time. Let's talk about this Dell credit card. Now, listen, you guys. The best thing about this credit card is that you guys can actually get pre-qualified for it. Like, who does not like a pre-qualification? Like, who wouldn't want to get pre-qualified for a credit card? So that means when you guys pre-qualify for it, you're not going to get a hard inquiry. So they'll let you know what they can qualify you for, and if they can pre-qualify you, and if they can pre-qualify you, then you can jump on it. If they can't pre-qualify you, then you move on. But with this credit card, you guys, you can just go ahead and go to their website and get pre-qualified. So you can see right here, we have a $3,500 approval and we have a $5,000 approval. So definitely they can actually pre-qualify you and pre-approve you for a credit card. Now, when you guys want to do that, like I said, go to their website. Go ahead and put your information in and see what they can pre-qualify you for. They have personal accounts, they have business accounts, and then if you have an enterprise, they even have accounts for you guys too. But I'm talking about the personal account right now, but see what they can pre-qualify you for. And if they can actually pre-qualify you for a credit card, then they have different things like interest-free payments. So they have 6 and 12 months, depending on what you actually order, how much you purchase. You have 6 or 12 months interest-free payments. Now, don't forget, these interest-free payments can actually trick you up. You can actually slip up on these payments, because if you do not pay all of the balance on that credit card during that time that you have the interest free, or before that 6 months or the 12 months, if you do not pay it all, then that means that they're going to charge you interest, and they're going to backdate it from the time when you first use it, when you first got that 6 months or 12 months. So that means your interest can really pile up. So if you're looking to not pay interest, like, do not mess around with them. Make sure you guys pay off that credit card in full. And if you guys love some cashback rewards, or if you guys just like rewards in general, then you're really going to like them, because they're going to give you a $50 credit when you first sign up, and they're going to also give you 3% back. But that's not going to matter at all if you guys are paying interest. Like, what's the point? If you guys are paying interest, it's not really going to help you at all. But they definitely have that for those people that like to pay off their statement balance in full. But if you guys have the interest free for the 6 or the 12 months, just make sure you pay off that balance in full, and they should let you know exactly how much that would be on your statement and when it's going to be due by. So definitely make sure you're doing that. Now, if you guys get approved for this credit card, definitely let us know in the comments who you got approved. Well, it will let us know how much you got approved for, and then let us know who they actually pull. So I believe you're going to get Experian credit pool. Don't forget, you guys, everybody's in different parts of the country, United States, so they can pull different bureaus, and sometimes companies like to do that. But I believe they're going to pull your Experian credit report. But don't go there and pre-qualify for a credit card and just apply for it if they cannot approve you for or pre-qualify you for a credit card. If they can pre-qualify you, then you go on to the next one. And check out my link down in the comments, because if you check out that link, all things Rickita, I have a whole list of credit cards that you guys can apply for. So definitely go there and apply for the credit cards that say that they can pre-qualify you. Like, just go down the list and pre-qualify for those credit cards, because if they can pre-qualify you, that means no hard inquiry. So definitely let us know what exactly you got pre-qualified for, because we'll love to hear about it. Now, if you guys are having a hard time getting approved, you may want to sign up for my exclusive membership, where I can help you guys remove the negative accounts, or maybe you guys need to just boost your credit score up. I can help look at your credit reports and see what you can do to boost your credit score up. Like, a lot of people, they do simple things and they can get a quick boost in their credit score in 30 days. So I want to tell you guys what you're messing up on, what you need to do to actually boost your credit score. My exclusive membership is not just about deleting items, even though that's a part of it. If you guys are a member, I can help you with that process. You guys will have access to do that process yourself. But it's really about boosting your credit score up, because you guys can still get approved for credit cards if you guys have negative accounts on your credit reports. But you really want to boost that credit score up, so when you pre-qualify for credit cards, they actually want to give you that credit card. Now, I know I talked to you guys about the Dell credit card, but there's other credit cards out there, like I said, that can pre-qualify you. Go ahead, click on my link, and scroll and see exactly which ones that can actually pre-qualify you for. But I'll tell you a few now, that way you'll know exactly where to look and just have something to look forward to, right? So you guys can actually pre-qualify for the Apple credit card. Apple can actually pre-qualify you for their credit card. So all you have to do is go to their website and see exactly what they can pre-qualify you for, and then look up something called the Apple trick. That's when they can actually pre-qualify you for a credit card. They're going to pull your TransUnion credit report for that. So after they pre-qualify you, they'll let you know exactly how much you pre-qualify for. What you want to do is you want to lock your TransUnion credit report, and then you want to go back to that screen where they pre-qualify you and go ahead and accept it. And when you accept it, you're just going to get that credit card, and they're not going to pull your credit reports because now they're locked with TransUnion. But make sure when you pre-qualify for these credit cards, make sure you have that credit report open. And a lot of times for you guys to lock and unlock your credit reports, it's so simple as literally holding down a button, and it's literally locked just like that. Like, that's how you can do it for Experian. You can just hold it down, lock it, hold it down, and unlock it. So definitely go ahead and unlock and lock your credit reports. And if you guys, I told you guys about Aura before. It's a 14-day trial. They help make sure that they're protecting your identity. If anything was to happen, they find information in the dark web, they'll let you know about it. They'll give you your credit scores every month. If you're addicted like me, you need to know what your credit score is, then that's perfect. They'll let you know what your credit score is every month. And then if anything crazy pop up, such as any type of fraud, they'll let you know about it. So definitely go ahead and sign up for Aura, because if you have it, then they'll let you know what's on your credit reports, and then you guys are able to unlock and lock your Experian credit report right through Aura. So I have my 14-day free trial. Go ahead and find that also in my link. So just save my link. Like, you guys just need to save my link, because if you save it, everything is going to be there. So you can just scroll down and see exactly what's there. I'm going to add things on and take things off. So definitely go ahead and sign up for it. Now, not only can you guys do like the Apple credit cards, you guys also can do Navy Federal Credit Union. They can actually pre-qualify you for higher limit credit cards. If your credit score is low and you know your credit score is low, if they tell you got to get a secure credit card, definitely get it, because if you sign up for their secure credit card, you are able to put a $200 limit down on it. And when you put that $200 limit down on it, in 6 months, they're going to boost your credit scores, for one thing, from it being on your credit reports. But in 6 months, they're going to increase your limit from $200 to $2,000. So I really like that one, because they're able to actually boost your credit limit a lot like that. And after that 6 months, you guys can actually apply for another credit card with them, and maybe they approve you for $20,000 or $10,000, because now you boost your credit score up. A lot of times the reason why your credit score is low is because you just don't have any credit cards. And if your credit score is that low and you try to watch all these credit cards and get pre-qualified for them, and they're not giving it to you, then you may need to start with a secure one and just go from there. Now, it's other companies out there you guys can use, like CapitalOne. They have so many credit cards they can pre-qualify you for. They have personal credit cards and they have business credit cards. Again, this is without a hard inquiry, but this is the thing. CapitalOne, I just have to let you know this. When you guys pre-qualify for that credit card, that's great. But if you guys accept it, they're going to pull all 3 credit bureaus. Like, CapitalOne is not playing. They're going to pull all 3 credit bureaus. So that's something that I do not like, that they're going to pull all 3 credit bureaus. But it's something that they are going to do. So understand that, and then kind of work around it. You know, look at inquiry removal maybe, or figure out how to actually get some of these inquiries removed from your credit reports. I actually have that in my link also. Now, last but not least, I want to talk to you guys about Discover and FNBO. Go ahead and see what they can pre-qualify you for. They have secure credit cards, and they have higher limit credit cards and cash back credit cards. Like, Discover got a secure credit card that got cash back. A lot of times you're watching these credit cards because maybe you can pre-qualify for them. You want to see if you can get it without a hard inquiry, but if your credit score is low, you may need to get that secure credit card. So definitely you can start off with Discover, and these credit cards will graduate. Like I told you guys, the Navy Federal will go from $200 to $2,000. The Discover is going to graduate in 7 months. The Capital One is going to graduate in 6 months. And definitely go ahead and see what they can actually give you. Don't forget, you guys, sign up for that exclusive membership too. It's $1 trial to sign up. Schedule a call if you ever have any questions, and go ahead and save my link, All Things Rickita, because if you save it, then on there you'll have all of my different links there, and hopefully you'll find something or a credit card there that can actually approve you. And hopefully you guys like the videos that's here. Go ahead and click on one of them and check out other credit cards that I think you guys may actually be interested in.